Sleeping apnea is not because that the tongue is too big or the neck is narrow. Tonsils inflammation, adenoid inflammation, all of that are consequences for the mouth breathing. Why we are mouth breathers? Because we have small nasal cavity. Why we have small nasal cavity? Because we have small maxilla or small jaws. We have narrow jaws. That mean the tongue has no space and it will go posteriorly, blocking the airway and causing the sleeping apnea. So it's important, first of all, to expand the maxilla, increase the nasal cavity, providing more room for the tongue. Also, it's very important to do myofunctional training for the tongue muscles and the muscles below the tongue. Because if we have those muscles weak, we can expect them easily to fall back in our throat. You wake up frequently during the night and you have, because of that, bad sleeping quality, less oxygen, and low life quality. If you have any question about that, please leave them in the comment or leave a question. If you like the content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.